Welcome back to our exploration of global governance. In the previous lectures, we delved into the fundamental concepts and theoretical frameworks that shape this field. Today, we will focus on the primary actors in global governance: states, the building blocks of the international system. States or countries, as we more commonly refer to them, are the sovereign political entities that make up the international system. They are the big dogs, the heavy hitters, the ones who often call the shots in global governance. But what exactly is their role? How do they wield their power? And are they still the top dogs in today's rapidly changing world? Let's find out. In global governance, states are the key decision makers. They negotiate treaties, participate in international organizations, and shape the norms and rules that govern international interactions. They have the power to make or break agreements, to cooperate or compete, to promote peace or wage war. How do states shape global governance? States shape global governance in a myriad of ways. They negotiate and ratify international treaties, which set out the rules of the game on everything from trade to climate change. They join international organizations like the UN, the WTO, and the IMF, where they have a say in global decision-making. They also use their power to influence other states, whether through diplomacy, economic sanctions, or even military force. Here are a few examples of how states wield their power in global governance. Negotiating international agreements. The Paris Agreement on climate change, for example, was the result of intense negotiations between states. Participating in international organizations, states vote on resolutions, contribute to budgets, and shape the agendas of organizations like the UN. Using economic leverage, states can impose sanctions on other states to pressure them to change their behavior. Military intervention. In extreme cases, states may use military force to protect their interest or enforce international norms. Are states still the top dogs? While states are still major players in global governance, their dominance is being challenged. We live in a world where non-state actors like NGOs, MNCs, and even individuals are increasingly influential. These actors are shaping global debates, driving innovation, and sometimes even holding states accountable. Think of the role of NGOs in advocating for human rights or environmental protection, or the influence of MNCs on global trade and investment. These actors are not just passive bystanders. They are actively shaping the global agenda. Conclusion: the future of states in global governance. The role of states in global governance is evolving. While they remain powerful actors, they are increasingly sharing the stage with other players. The future of global governance will likely be characterized by a more diverse and dynamic cast of characters, where states will need to adapt and collaborate to address the complex challenges facing the world.